Good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be putting this video out on Friday as a little Friday update. This Sunday I will be going to Haynes Museum for the sort of breakfast meet. I will be there from about 9:30 to probably about 11:30 just for a couple of hours, just to mooch around and look at all the cars again. I will be doing a little video. If you do see me, come and give me a shout. I will obviously be snooping around for all your Clios again, hopefully getting a video of those cars and obviously representing the Renault life. Just an update on the channel as well. I bought a few new things for the car that I'm hopefully going to show you, and they will be sort of my future videos. Firstly, the air ducts. The air ducts, someone questioned this the other day, when am I going to do them? I'm probably going to do them the next time I have the front bumper off. You can fit them with the front bumper on, I believe, but obviously it gets a little bit more fiddly. So I just want to do it all when the bumper is off. When the bumper is next going to be off is probably when I'm changing my front headlights, will hopefully be sort of sooner rather than later, because that front headlight is still stuck together with glue and zip ties and whatever else. So hopefully they will be done sooner rather than later, and I will have a new set of headlights as well. But that is when the air ducts will be fit. I think once again you've got to customise them, cut them up a little bit as that. But yeah, hopefully they look decent as we go on. Another thing I purchased, quite new, literally got it yesterday I think, is the sexy JMRS induction kit, all in one. But yeah, I bought this from James just the other day, but it's JMRS's new induction kit, and hopefully this is going to make, well, it'll sort of be the start of my engine bay sort of upgrades and making my engine bay look pretty, because if you don't know what my engine bay looks like already, don't even try and work out or find it anywhere, because it is horrendous. But yeah, hopefully this is going to be the start of it. I will also be hopefully getting in contact with Max MS sort of engineering, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, just to sort out all my inlets and that, get them painted, get them looking cool and fresh. And the same with the engine cover as well. It's all hopefully going to be nice and shiny, so next time I go to shows I can lift up my bonnet with all, when everyone else starts lifting up theirs and their nice sexy engine bays, and mine's looking pretty horrendous. I don't want it to be anything amazing, I just want it a little bit prettier than what it is. So, induction kit. Coming with the induction kit, you need to buy yourself a Ram air filter. These are who James has sort of teamed up with, but as a combo, it's going to look pretty good. So I cannot wait to fit this, and I want to see what our sort of sound comparison is. This cone is about double the size of the K&M one that I've got in there at the moment, so I'm looking to see how different the foam plus double the size ones sound. With the JMRS kit, you do need some Jubilee clips just to make sure it all stays nice and safe. It is a really snug fit on both ends, which is decent anyway, because it means it's not going to fall off, but you've got your Jubilee clips as well to assist, and the Diddy one for the top. But yeah, that's probably one of the most exciting things, finally. So at least one thing in my engine bay is going to look decent. Obviously that, in comparison to the fatty induction kit I've got in there at the moment, is a little bit more expensive. But yeah, not too bad in comparison considering how beautiful it looks compared to K&N. I think it's K-Tech that's done a similar silicone tube. But yeah, check out JMR's page, get in contact with him if you're looking for any of these. He's got a massive range of colours. The colours he got the other day, there's like a lime green and a purple and God knows what else. So do get in contact with him if you're looking for these, because I think these are one of the biggest and easiest modifications you can do to your car to change up the sound and maybe give you a few more brake horsepower in the long run. But yeah, there is one more thing, which is quite a big purchase I did the other day. This is going to sort of improve the exterior look. And hopefully I will get these on before we go to Haynes and somehow do a video of these somewhere and get this out for you guys. So yeah, quite a big purchase, going to make the outside look really pretty. But I'll show you them when I'm fitting them. Sorry.